Hello guys, how are you all doing today? Hopefully everyone will be safe and sound. Guys, once again I have come up with an amazing Forex trading broker who is providing $30 no deposit bonus 2024. Let's get started. How can we get $30 no deposit bonus from this broker? But before talking about the no deposit bonus, I wanted to say that watch this video complete so that you can understand all in the terms and condition. Cato Prime greater than no deposit gift campaign $30 bonus 2024. Bonus summary. Broker name, Cato Prime. Available for new traders. Validity date, the 31st of December 2024. Bonus amount, $30. Cato Prime presents a $30 USD gift no deposit bonus to test the live trading services. New clients must create an account with the trading platform and verify their personal data. The participants must meet the trading requirement before they can withdraw any profits generated using the bonus funds. Forex gift campaign, no deposit bonus $30 USD. How to participate? Register a trading account. Gift $30 USD bonus. Schedule. End June 30th, 2024. Cash out. Yes. Only profits can be withdrawn. Cato Prime gift promotion. Terms and conditions apply. Ask for their support for all additional information. Hopefully you enjoyed video and learned something new. Please subscribe to our channel and like video and share it among your friends and family members. Thanks. Please note that I cannot recommend any particular Forex trading broker or service. Forex trading can be risky, so it is important to do your own research before investing any money.